Hello everyone, let's discuss the natural response of series RC circuit. So forced response is nothing but what? Charging case, and this natural response is nothing but what? Discharging case, right? So we don't have any supply voltage for this discharging case, that is for natural response. First we have to get the supply voltage, circuit diagram, then we can start the analysis. Plus minus, this is Vs, this is the from this what we are having. Okay, this is C, this is R. Here the position of the switch is like this, from S to S dash. This is the current. Okay, let us say this is discharging current, IDS. Okay, let us say this is plus minus. Okay, now let's start the analysis. When the switch is thrown from S to S dash, what will happen? RC circuit is shorted and the voltage source is withdrawn, same like in case of series RL circuit. There is no new in that. Okay, therefore by KVL, that's why by KVL we have to write Ri plus 1 by C integral I dt. Now it is 0 because we don't have any supply voltage. So differentiating we have what? R into di by dt plus 1 by C into I, which is equals to 0. From this, di by dt plus I into 1 by RC, which is equals to 0. Finally we have this, right? This is what? Dy by dx plus ax, which is equals to 0. Non-homogeneous. Therefore natural response I, which is equals to only ICF, right? From this I is equals to what? K. Now it is K dash e power minus t by tau. Tau is nothing but what? Since tau is nothing but RC. Clear? This is we have to get. Now we have to use our initial conditions to get the value of arbitrary constant. However, at t is equals to 0 plus, the voltage across the capacitor will start discharging. Because during supply voltage it is charging. Here we don't have any supply voltage. Obviously the whatever may be the voltage which is present in the capacitor is automatically discharging. However, at t is equals to 0 plus, the voltage across the capacitor is what? Will start discharging current through the resistor, then the current through the resistor in opposite to the original current, or you can say the current through the resistor in opposite to the original current direction. Okay, hence the direction of current during discharge is negative because it is opposite to that of original current direction, and its magnitude is given by, what is that magnitude? I of 0 plus, which is equals to minus V by R, right? Therefore I, which is equals to, this is minus V by R e power minus t by tau. I is equals to, this is tau minus is e power minus t by tau. This is the natural response. This is what? Exponentially decaying in reverse direction. That is, we can say that see, this is minus I, this is plus I. Okay, now the response is what? Like this. We have to get the response like this. This is what? Is minus is. Okay, this is what? Exponentially decaying in reverse direction. That is current, discharge current. So natural response is nothing but what? Discharging. Forced response is nothing but what? Charging. Okay, complete current response completed. Therefore voltage across resistor and capacitor, same logic. VR, which is equals to what? Directly here I can provide, which is equals to what? Minus V e power minus t by tau. Like that, VC, which is equals to what? I into, sorry, IXL, right? IXC. Sorry, this is with respect to DC excitation, right? So 1 by C integral I dt, the current through the capacitor. What is that? Yeah. This is what? V into e power minus t by tau only. Because how we can get that? VC, which is equals to V minus VR. Here V is equals to 0, which is equals to minus VR, which is equals to VC, right? VC is equals to minus VR. That's why we got like this. Okay, this is VC, this is VR, decaying only. This is decaying in reverse direction, right? Then the response is what? VR is negative, right? Let us say this is what we see. What about VR? This is what VR, this is what minus V, this is plus V, that's it. Okay, this is time. Next, power, instantaneous powers we have to get. That is PR is what? Simply PR into I, which is equals to what? P square by R into e power minus 2t by tau. What's like that? Pc, which is equals to what? Vc into I, which is equals to v square by, sorry, minus v square by R into e power minus 2t by tau. Therefore, total power is nothing but what? PR plus PC, which is equal to 0. That's all for power. Okay. Completed. Next, one important note point. We have discussed charging case and discharging case, right? Therefore, you can write the charge stored in capacitor during charging. We have to write which is equals to Q, which is equals to what? C into Vc, right? Which is equals to C into V into 1 minus e power t by tau, right? Which is equals to what? Q is equals to Cv is nothing but what? Q only. Q, okay, 1 minus e power minus t by tau coulombs. Like that, while charging. Charging means what? Exponentially rising. Here 1 minus e power minus t by tau. Simply it is exponentially rising, right? Like that, it is, if it is discharging, Q is equals to C into Vc, which is equals to simply V into e power minus t by tau, right? That is Q is equals to Q e power minus t by tau coulomb, right? That's all for series RC circuit natural response.